Glowing Skin Secret: How to Get Healthy, Radiant Skin. Who doesn't dream of glowing, radiant skin? The secret to healthy skin isn't just in the products you use, it's in your lifestyle. Your skin is a reflection of how you take care of yourself from the inside out. Today, we're sharing simple yet powerful tips for achieving that natural, healthy glow. Tip 1. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water is your skin's best friend. Drinking enough water throughout the day keeps your skin hydrated and flushes out toxins. Try adding lemon for an extra detox boost. Tip 2. Nourish your skin from within. A healthy diet is key. Incorporate skin-loving foods rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Think avocados, berries, nuts, and leafy greens to nourish your skin from within. Tip 3. Sleep your way to glowing skin. Beauty sleep is real. While you rest, your skin repairs itself, renewing cells and restoring its natural glow. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night for visibly healthier skin. Tip 4. Gentle skincare routine. A consistent skincare routine is essential. Use gentle, hydrating products and avoid harsh chemicals that can strip your skin of its natural oils. Cleanse, tone, and moisturize daily, and don't forget your sunscreen. Tip 5. Exercise for a natural glow. Exercise isn't just great for your body, it's amazing for your skin too. Physical activity boosts blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your skin, leaving you with a natural post-workout glow. Glowing skin is a result of a healthy lifestyle and consistent care. Drink plenty of water, eat nutrient-rich foods, get your beauty sleep, and treat your skin with love. Your natural glow will follow. Healthy, glowing skin is within your reach. Start today and let your radiance shine from the inside out.